Hello, welcome to the demonstration of the 32Soft Item Transfer Loader. This Excel tool has been designed to massively transfer items in your inventory, replacing the need for manually moving one item at a time in QAD's 3.4.1 Transfer Single Item menu. This is an efficient and productive tool to initiate item transfer transactions individually or multiple transactions at the same time. Once you open up the Excel Loader program, you have to select the correct database first. Click the Setup button to find your database and select it. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by item number, site, location, lot or serial, or reference number ranges. If we leave filter fields open, all inventory records will be downloaded. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Get Items button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears, which uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID. So let's log in. The data is downloaded and the sheet now displays all records according to our search criteria. By using this tool, it is no longer necessary to run an inventory detail report to get detailed information about items we plan to transfer to a different location within our inventory. This tool will display all information, including the available quantity at all locations. To look up a specific range of items, we simply clear the sheet by selecting the Clear button. Then we can enter specific search parameters in the header. Let's enter item number range, and then we will click the Download button. And now, only specific items according to our search criteria are displayed. Fields highlighted in green are updatable fields, while gray fields are read-only. So the values from these fields will not be uploaded into the database. As this is an Excel sheet, it will have all functionalities of Excel, so we can simply delete any lines not needed. In this example, we can delete the first line because we are planning to transfer only those items from site 20,000. Okay, now let's fill in the quantity we want to transfer to another location. We'll specify the destination location. Let's transfer these from site 20,000 to location 100. We can also make other changes as needed, the effective date if necessary, etc. Once we have reviewed our data, we can hit the Transfer Items button to attempt to upload the data into QAD and transfer the items to the specified location. A pop-up screen will display the status of the upload. It will indicate if the upload is successful or not. The loader validates data in the cells against QAD, and it will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as we see here. We can use the Find Error button to find the next error in the file if there are multiple errors. Any cell containing an error is highlighted in red, and placing the cursor over the cell will display the reason for the error. In this case, we do not have enough inventory to transfer the quantity specified. We specified 1,200 to be transferred, but the available quantity is only 1,000. We must correct the error before submitting the data again. So let's change the transfer quantity to 112 and let's select the Transfer Items button again. This time the upload is successful. We can select the Get Items button again to verify that the information was uploaded. Let's download location 100's records only, and we should see the 112 quantity we just transferred. And we do. As we see here, the quantity now available at location 100 is indeed 112. The 32Soft Item Transfer Loader is a great tool to initiate massive item transfers in QAD. It increases productivity, eliminates errors, and contributes to your bottom line. For additional information about this and other productivity tools, email us at contact@32soft.com and sign up for our free educational webinars at www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our products and for watching this video.